Indecision is expensive, not just in time, but in mental energy. If you feel tired before you even start, this video is for you. We're discussing 4 points today to help you become a fast decision maker. Point number 1, shrink the decision. Most decisions don't need perfection. They need direction. Ask yourself one simple question. What's the next usable choice, not the best possible one? Small decisions done quickly beat perfect decisions done never. Point number 2, decide with a timer. Give yourself 5 minutes. If you don't decide, the default answer is no. This removes overthinking instantly because your brain hates deadlines but obeys them. Point number 3, limit your options. More choices feel powerful, but they slow you down. 3 options is the sweet spot. If there are more than that, you're not choosing, you're browsing. Point number 4, trust the first clear answer. Your brain often knows before your anxiety joins the meeting. Fast decisions come from clarity, not confidence. Decide. Adjust later. That's how momentum is built. Thanks for watching, and if you want more simple ideas that bring clarity, one idea at a time, subscribe.